Have you been using the Apple Vision Pro for a while now and maybe it's not as clear as you thought it should be? Here's 5 things to try before you send it back. So first off, we have the light seal that comes off right here. Make sure that you got the correct one. I actually have to go and get a new one today because I got the wrong one. After that, we have the face pad. There is a normal one and a plus one in the box. Next up is going to be the band. So we have the solo loop band, which is the most common one. It's the one that looks the coolest. It may not be sitting on your face properly, so you want to go ahead and try this one. It may alleviate some of the pressure and cause a less blurry image. Next up, if you use glasses for any reason, you want to go ahead and get yourself a pair of Zeiss lenses, grab your prescription, send it up to Apple, and I guarantee your vision is going to be better if you should be wearing glasses, but you're currently not. And then lastly is going to be the most common one I'm seeing is the face placement. So you've got all your pieces together, you've got your lenses, you've got your cap, everything's good, but it's just not looking clear. What you're probably going to notice is that this isn't sitting properly on your face. So if you got it delivered to your house, go ahead and go into the Apple store, get a fit. If you did do the fit with them, go ahead and do it again because you may have gotten something wrong, or maybe it's just not sitting on your face properly. So you want to make sure that it's not crushing your nose, it's not pinching any sides of your face or anything. You want it to be comfortable. Once you have all this set up, make sure you're doing that eye tracking setup after everything is good. So hopefully these tips give you a better experience with the Apple Vision Pro. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I will see you in the next video.